Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set password on Poco mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you can see the setting option. So here you have to move on the setting. When you have been moved on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down and you have to search for the password and security option. So here you can see the password and security. Just tap on the password and security. When you have been moved on it, in this page you can see the password and security. Under it is you can see the screen lock, fingerprint lock, face lock and unlock devices. Okay, so if you want to set password, obviously you have to tap on the screen lock option. Okay, when you tap on the screen lock, from here you can see three options. The first point is the pattern, second point is the pin, the third point is the password. So if you want to set password, you have to tap on the password. Okay, when you tap on the password, here you can see the some important notice. Remember your password. Okay, so just try to remember your password. If you don't remember, you might lose your data. Okay, just click on continue. When you click on continue, here you can type the password. Suppose I'm going to write my name, and here if you don't know what numbers, what alphabet you have finished to type but you don't know, then you can check from here by just clicking on this I option. Okay, after that here you can tap on the continue option and again you can retype it. Okay, just retype. After that click on OK and here your password has successfully saved. Okay, and friends, if you want to add the fingerprint lock, you just click on add option and scan your thumb and it will set successfully. I don't want to add fingerprint, that's why I just click on cancel. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.